Dr. Terrie van Alstyne. I'm a naturopathic doctor, and I'm going to show you my latest recipe that I've created. It's a muesli apple banana pancake. So I've taken a banana, which I mash with a fork. And I grate an apple. You could just do half an apple if you prefer, which is what I'll do today. The skin of the apple is full of antioxidants, so I don't peel the apple. I make sure that the skin is included. Apples are very hydrating for the body. A lot of people are dehydrated. They're not drinking enough water, and the water is not good quality. So this is a great way to get more hydration into you, as well as, of course, all the benefits of apples, the trace minerals and macro minerals that we need. Now the key with this is that you squeeze out the juice. Otherwise the pancake will be too wet inside. And you can just drink that apple juice. I've pre-made this muesli mix, and it's a combination of oats with raisins, organic raisins, dried cranberries, there's pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, coconut, and so it's whole oats that I use, as well as the Quaker oats. And I grind it in the food processor, because I found that the whole oats are difficult to digest, so if they're ground a little bit in the food processor, it makes it much easier to digest. So I add 5 tablespoons of this pre-made muesli. And instead of egg, I'm using Nutracleanse, or you could use ground flax seeds. So 2 heaping tablespoons of those with some water will bind this mostly ground up flax seeds into an egg-like binder. So you can do this in any recipe instead of egg. And the problem with egg is it's a common food allergen, and it feeds bacteria and viruses. So I'll just let that sit for a minute, and I will add a teaspoon of cinnamon. So this is now thickened, and it will help bind the pancake together. Mix it thoroughly, and you have your non-stick, non-Teflon frying pan warming up on the stove. So the pan I'm using is called Voll. It's W-O-L-L, and it's a German-made non-stick non-Teflon frying pan from Germany. So it's made with titanium and diamond. So even if there's scratches in it, it's not emitting anything harmful to the body. So I've got the pan warming up on low-medium. And you can make one big pancake or several smaller ones. You can flatten it. It's easier to flip them when they're smaller, I found. Sometimes I've made it at the entire frying pan with one big pancake, and I have to cut it in half to flip it. It's a little tricky. But this makes an absolutely delicious and super healthy pancake without gluten, because gluten is also a common food allergen. It's in wheat, flour, rye, spelt, and it also feeds bacteria and viruses, which we are trying to eliminate. And you can grind oats in a blender and use them instead of flour. So I've done that with banana bread, and it makes a heavier bread, but it's at least gluten-free and it tastes great.